Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we have the formula in here. ln8 to the power of b equals to b ln8. So we need to transform this one into this one. Next, this one we change by dy over dx. So I will put this one going here. Now we multiply both sides by dx. Next, we divide both sides by y. Now, I will put about b equals to 1 over y and q equals to this one. So we have dy. That means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to x. So we don't have x, so you got 0. This one we have dx. That means we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to y. So we just have only this one, and that's about 1 over y. So we see that this one and this one, they are not the same. So we need to transform into exact. So if we look carefully about this one, we have b equals to 1 over y. This one equal to 1 over y. So that means we need to choose about mu s, because if we choose about mu s in here, when we do first the derivative, this one they will disappear. However, we have about 1 over y. So I will choose about mu s. So we need to multiply both sides by this one. And we want this one equals to this one. So for this one, they will have like this. Now we simplify. Now we simplify y. Next, we divide both sides by mu s. Next, we need to integral both sides. So this one, we have ln of the absolute value of mu s. This one, that is about s. So that means we will have like this. So mu s equals to e to the power of s. That means we need to multiply both sides by e to the power of s in here. And now we have like this. So e to the power of s multiplied by this one and this one. And now we do first the derivative of b with respect to s. So we have e to the power of s over y. The second one, that is about dy. And we see that they are about exact. Now we can set up about the function fsy equals to the integration. So I will choose about this one in here. So I will put this one in here. Plus 3sy. So the integration of e to the power of s we keep the same. The second one e to the power of 2s over 2. And we put 3sy. Later that we do first the derivative of f with respect to y. So this one we have e to the power of s over y. This one we don't have y, so you got 0. And we know that this one equals to this one. That's it from here. So we simplify for the both sides. And now we put the integration for the both sides. And we have c. So we need to go back in here. And we know that this one, that is about this one. And this one equal to c. And we know that this one equal to fsy. Fsy equals to c. Now we can simplify like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.